Today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to show you how to draw a reel-to-reel tape recorder. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We are going to start by drawing the box of the thing. So we want to draw a parallelogram like that. Then we come back and down and forwards like that. So, and then this is the side, and that is the top. And good old-fashioned one of these had wooden panels on the side, so let's kind of draw those in like that. Now what we also want to do is to draw a little bit extra on the bottom. So that's going to come up like that and down across like that, and that will be there, and that will then sort of come to there. That's what, yes, that's that. And then we're going to want to have the reels on the top. The reels on the bus go round and round. No, they don't. And this is the tricky bit. So we want to get these to look pretty even. And then don't press too hard with the pencil, because we're going to erase these later. And let's just get that sort of feeling right. And then we're going to want to go and draw another one alongside it, so that we get the thickness of the circle. And then we're going to want the bits in the middle like that, and these are going to be coming out slightly like that, and we'll have another one on the front as well. And then we want to have the tape recorder split into three like that, the reels split into three, come out an angle like that, come out like that, come out like that. So it's kind of like a little arrow that you're coming out with, and then to there. Now then the tape is then going to come kind of through a bit here with all the recording gubbins and stuff on it there like that. So that's sort of coming in there, straight down. And then I think we can maybe make this a bit taller to sort of fit in like that. And here we're going to want to have switches. We're going to 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 4, something like that, and a couple of knobs. So draw the knob like that, and then that wants to come back and back like that. And we're going to have a couple of VU meters there with little knobs underneath it. And then I'm going to redo that. Then here we're going to want a couple of meters, like that, 1 and 2, and then we're going to want a knob there as well, which is kind of the on-off kind of thing. And these meters want to have little knobs underneath them as well. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Now you always want to start with the thing that's nearest to you, and I think that is going to be this reel. So let's draw all the way around that. So it's an ellipse, in fact, because it'd be a circle if you were looking straight on, but once it's twisted round it becomes an ellipse. And we'll do that one like that. Take your time. And then we want to do this, which is the back. So you've got the two sides of the reel. And here we want to have the tape coming down like that. And we want to have the bit which holds everything on there like that. This is going to come out like that and around, and then in with a kind of a letter C like that. And then we can draw in these. They're really so that you can see how much tape you have left, I think. That's the purpose of these bits. So they're kind of holes that are cut through, so you can see how much tape is actually on the spool. That will come down like that. And let's say there's that much tape on this one and that much tape on this one, and we can then kind of draw some little curves in there just to kind of that's the tape on the actual spool like that. Now we're going to want to have this kind of boxy thing like that, which is probably going to have a screw in there to hold it on, and probably a name across the front. That's the back of the tape recorder, that's the back of the side, that's the very back. Here we want to have the side of the tape recorder, which is going to go up, down like that. You won't see any more from there, and then this is going to be coming forward there and across and back, and then that will come hiding underneath. This is Draw Stuff Real Easy, but the actual thing we're drawing is not very easy. It's quite complicated. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you. So those little switches, and we want the bits on the top there as well. And these are little control knobs. Let's maybe have an extra bit around the back there. And then here we're going to have two VU meters, which are going to be something like that, with their own little knobs as well, probably. And then here we're going to want to have a big kind of knob there for twisting and turning the whole thing on and off. And probably something like that on there. And then that will go up there and up there. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. You may want to give this a little bit of thickness like that, and an extra little bit of thickness there as well, and we'll try and do the same here. It's just squeezing it in. Take your time, just do that, and then you want it to be quite sort of shaded in there as well, probably like that. The tape's quite dark there. We're going to have a kind of a wood grain effect there like that. And that will be across there like that, and then I think we can put it on the table like that, and then just give it a little bit of shading around the back. Oh, probably need a bit on the front there as well now to put it on the table. And then we probably need a little bit of shading in around there and around there like that, around there like that. And there you go, how to draw a reel-to-reel tape recorder. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.